Parents, hello there. It's Mark Griffon, Friendswood High School. Because of our ongoing construction, lack of parking, and other logistical issues, FHS is excited to offer our open house virtual connection this year. Our goal is to use our virtual format to share our family culture, which is all about our powerful relationships and our positive family connections. So on September 18th, our outstanding teachers will put a special message on their Canvas page. Teachers will include class syllabus, contact information, and other important class updates. Remember, if you ever need to meet with a teacher throughout the year, we are ready to meet face-to-face whenever needed. Our Mustang staff is excited to share their awesome learning activities and authentic learning experiences that are going on in their classrooms. Please review our special open house message online starting September 18th. And thank you for being great Mustang parents and for all your support of Friendswood High School. And go Mustangs!